Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Tutorials, your only stop for amazing daily life tech problems. And in this one we are going to be learning how to see archived stories on Facebook. So click on Facebook and now you're going to be clicking on your profile icon, which could be seen on the top right side of your screen. Once you click on that, we need to scroll all the way to the bottom until we can find settings and privacy, which is the last option. Click on that and now you can see a couple of options is popped up from where we're going to be choosing your time on Facebook, and scroll a little bit down. Here you need to select see your time. Click on see time. We're going to be checking out our activity log, so click on this see activity log option. After that you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see we have this interaction option in here. Click on this little arrow which will drop down. We have this option of archived stories, and here you will be able to see that we have all of our archived stories and you can just check them out. So that's a pretty simple process on how to check out archived stories on Facebook. I really hope you understood the concept and learned something new. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.